Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a prompt-based experiment in Mida using the new MidaGX feature. It's super quick, so let's jump right in. Once you log in into your Mida dashboard, you will see a button that says Try out MidaGX Now Free. This will open a pop-up with two buttons, namely Download Chrome plugin and also Yes, I have it. If you do not have the MidaGX Chrome plugin installed, click on it and it will navigate you to the Chrome Web Store. So you can add to your Chrome and you start using MidaGX. So once you have that installed, click on Yes, I have it, and it will navigate you to the experiment setup. So over here, we will give this experiment a name, MidaGX Test 1, and which website do you want the MidaGX to be launched on. So once we click Next, we click on Build with AI. So this will initialize the website with MidaGX. Once you have MidaGX launched, over here, you can just give the prompt. So in this case, we will be giving an example of create me a Black Friday sale banner with promo code BFCM 2025. And also we can give AI more context by drawing directly on your website. So in this case, I will want the banner to be on top of the nav bar. So I'll just draw a quick rectangle here. And once you're done drawing, just click on the check and there will be a screenshot here. So once that is done, just click on the next button. And now MidaGX will be planning the variant and will also be coding and applying directly onto your website. Great. Now that the code has been generated, you can see that the banner has been implemented onto your website. Over here, you can navigate through the tablet view and also mobile view. If you are unsure how the original and your variant looks, you can also click on this button over here on the top right, and you can split view to see the original and your variant. So once you are happy with the changes, click on Save, and it will navigate you back to Mida dashboard. So once you are back in Mida dashboard, just click on Next, and you can start setting up the goals and the configuration of your experiment. And once you're happy with everything, publish the test. And over here, you can start receiving visitors and also conversions. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a prompt-based experiment with MidaGX, quick, simple, and fast. Thank you.